Hey Steve, it's Josh Betzel. It was nice meeting you finally earlier today, and I just wanted to hop on this video real quick and just show you a little bit of what I do, how I do it, and hopefully you can take away a ton of free knowledge from this video. So I'm just going to get on into it. So I got your website pulled up, and the main three things that we're going to be going over today is content, backlinks, and citations. First of all, I just want to compliment you on your website. It looks very nice, very professional. I like how you have some tabs organized up here. It kind of looks like it was built on Wix. Forgive me if I'm wrong, but it definitely looks like a Wix site. I like how you have some testimonials on there, really nice pictures. It's just a very well done site. But here are some things I kind of noticed about it. You're lacking in content. And what do I mean by content? I mean the little words on your page. So I really recommend to have at least 1,000 to 2,000 words, especially on your home page. And this is the reason why. Google sends out robots. These robots, they go and crawl through your website looking for keywords. And the more content you have, the more they crawl looking for those keywords. So what are these keywords I'm talking about? Well, a keyword is anything that somebody might type in the search bar. So roofing companies, Jacksonville, Florida, roofing contractors, Jacksonville, roof repair, Jacksonville, etc. So that is anything what we call a keyword. It basically tells Google where to send people, aka your website, when searching for that keyword. In your content, you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website found for. Like I said before, roofing Jacksonville, roofing repair, whatever you want. Another kind of trick I learned is, I'm going to go over to one of your competitors real quick, is that you can actually also go to images and hide keywords in here. So if you do save image as, you'll see your competitor has about I-img. So if you wanted a free keyword out of this, then you would actually go label this picture as roofing contractor Jacksonville. That way Google can also see that your images have keywords attached to them as well. So what made me go to Wilson Roofing Company? So when I typed in roofing companies Jacksonville, Florida, I typed in a little bit different ones: roofing contractors, roof repair, a couple of different keywords. And the number one site I kept seeing below all these directories like Triple B, Angie's List, and all that is Jacksy Wilson Roofing. So I went ahead and actually plugged them up to my Ahrefs account. So Ahrefs or Ahrefs is actually a paid account, I will say, but you can use free accounts as like SEMrush, SEO Quake. It kind of gives you similar rundown, but Ahrefs is the most accurate to Google standards. So that's why I like to use Ahrefs. And also I'm a digital marketer, so I need it. So here you will see referring domains, backlinks, organic keywords, organic traffic. All right. So this is all organic traffic. This is all what they're getting per month. But I don't want you to get too confused about this. So I'm just going to go into their keywords a little bit. So these are the keywords they have. All right. Roofing company Jacksonville, 300 searches a month. KD stands for keyword difficulty. So this basically says how long it'll take to rank for SEO wise, not Google ad wise. So roofing company Jacksonville, Florida, 300, KD 8, roofers Jacksonville, Florida, 400 searches a month, roof repair, Jacksonville, Florida, 300 searches a month, roofing companies, Jacksonville, Florida, 400 searches a month, etc. So as you can see, they have a lot more keywords than you do over here because you have 0 attached to your website right now. Even though your website's very beautifully built out, it's not doing what it needs to be SEO-wise to actually get that traffic to it, as you can see here. Let's go over different ones. Roofing companies, Jacksonville, roofing companies in Jacksonville, 308. So as you can see, just the slightest of differences can actually change the amount of volume it gets and the keyword difficulty. But now I know you're thinking, Josh, there's no way that you can just implement these keywords into here into the content in your website and get that traffic. And you're totally right. So that's when I go back to his referring domains, 133. Very beatable with time, of course. I'm going to go over to yours and you have 16. Okay, so what is a referring domain? What's a backlink? So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links, they act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins from the people wins the #1 spot. However, it is extremely important to note that not all backlinks are created equal. So it's worth relevancy to your industry, and local websites will work best for that. So I'll use an example. Like if, say you're a roofing company, would you rather be on the cover of best pizzas in the United States today, or would you rather be on the cover of best roofing companies in the United States today? Definitely the best roofing, because it has something to do with your industry instead of pizzas. So that's what I mean by relevancy when I'm talking about referring. Next thing I want to go to is citations. And citations is actually how you get ranked in this map pack up here. So of course we see when Google's laid out, you have the search bar and then you have these ads. And the ads are good, don't get me wrong, but they have to be utilized absolutely correctly for them to be effective and not become a money pit. This map pack is what I was talking about with citations. So if you have about 200 to 300 citations on your Google My Business profile, you have a pretty good chance of being ranked pretty high in this map pack, maybe the top 3 spot. So what is a citation? Citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations, they help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Citations can include anything like directories, Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Triple B, hundreds of others you may have heard of too. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above them in this map pack. So just to go back over the 3 things that we talked about, like I said, website absolutely beautiful. Add content in there and add those high volume, low KD words where it won't be too hard to rank for. Okay, the second thing was backlinks. Definitely get some more backlinks in your in referring domains into your website. That way Google knows to trust you to actually put your site at the top. And the last thing, citations. Get some more citations on your as per your Google business profile so you can get ranked in this map pack right here. Okay, so I just wanted to show you exactly what I was talking about with Jack C. Wilson Roofing. This is organic traffic, 481 people a month being on the first page of Google. So let's say you just closed 10%, and that's lowballing it for the month of people. So you're talking what, maybe 50 extra customers a month. You're talking about some pretty big money if you're doing 50 roofs extra a month. So that just gives a little bit of correlation to show you what you could be at if you go this route, and or what you want to stay at and go in this route. All right. A little bit more of what I do. I do Google ads. I do Facebook ads. Google ads, I know a bunch of marketers reach out to you, especially being in the roofing industry. If they use smart campaigns, literally throw their number away. Smart campaigns, a chimpanzee can set it up, and basically it's like 5 questions. You set a budget and you just let the campaign run, rather than actually doing the research, finding out which words are the best, how much money you want to spend per word, etc. like that. So Google ads, Facebook ads, and search engine optimization, those are pretty much my specialties here. If you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out to me and I can help you with some more information. We could talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business. That's pretty much all I got for you, Steve. I really hope this video helps you. Again, my name's Josh. My door is always open. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope this helps. Have a great day.